Okay, folks, this is more for me. If anyone else wants to watch it, that's cool. But I'm just documenting for myself where this space was at before I take it to the next level. So over here on the left is going to be 2 bedrooms and a storage cupboard, and this wall here is going to be extended out to in line, well, just inside that curtain basically. So I'm going to give myself another metre there in the bathroom laundry area. And then we're going to have, there'll be another wall and another wall. So anyway, we're just sort of just getting it ready. This is the last time that this area here will be open. I'm dropping the ceiling down. Currently I've got a coat of sealant on that wall, so I haven't put a final coat or anything on it, because there's quite a bit of construction that's going to go on in that area. That 4x2 on the ground there is the borderline for that bedroom. So there'll be a frame put in there. We'll build a doorway. That bit up the top will be dropped down a little bit. The ceiling will be dropped to round about the second bar on the flag, the white bar, the first white bar going down. So anyway, that's where we're at. The next time you see this space here, guys, on my channel anyway, it will have framing in it. So anyway, God bless you all. Just a quickie. If I do a renovation set of clips, this will be the first one. Maybe that's what I'll call it, Reno 1. Anyway, God bless you all. Be good. Look after each other.